Hello everyone, I welcome you all again in my new video. So let's see how the bank nifty analysis for tomorrow. So before we go to tomorrow, let's see how the bank nifty behaved today. So as I mentioned in my yesterday's analysis video as well, that the global sentiments are negative because of the that war between Russia and Ukraine, and the scam which is going on in India. So that's also one of the reasons because of the bank nifty fall. It's a kind of factored news, people know, but people actually came to know about this scam recently, so that's why it has impacted bank nifty. So it's a combination of, you can say, global and the scam both. So bank nifty behaved in this way, and as we expected, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, that I am expecting a gap down today, and we got around 3% gap down, and after during closing it was around 4% down bank nifty was. So as you can see, this was the gap which came up, and bank nifty actually opened at this levels but couldn't sustain and move to this level. So why I have marked this one? So for my analysis for tomorrow is like, today if you see, like this levels, that is 37,500 levels was a major support level, and once it breaks, we were looking for, if you see my previous analysis videos as well, I have already discussed this level multiple times. This is 37,500, and the next we'll see for 37,200, and the psychological support was 37,000, which is again taken out today. So what can we expect for tomorrow? So tomorrow, let's take in a scenario that bank nifty again gives a gap down opening, because we are least expecting that bank nifty will open flat. It's not a chance. It will open either down or it can go up, but then we have to check for our intraday positions. So one thing I would like to say, like, if bank nifty opens gap down, where can we expect? So as we saw that bank nifty today touched 36,800 levels, so the next target we can see is either it can open, depending on the gap down, it opens like 1% 2%, but one of the support I am looking is 36,500 levels as well, and there bank nifty can open. So what I am expecting before selling, the markets, when markets, the charts work, there should be a kind of pullback we should get before selling, or before actually understanding the trend. So if tomorrow bank nifty opens kind of a gap up, let's take a scenario that bank nifty opens gap up and we open at this level where it was testing multiple times today, that is the 37,500 levels. So what we can do, we can see that either it sustains this level and try to move above this level, then we can try, but again I will not suggest going long, because that will not be, because the sentiments and everything are negative, and I'm not pretty I would suggest that it can go long. That's why if you see my Twitter positions as well, I have only sold call today. I have a put position which I booked in profit, and I have another put position which I booked loss in that one, but overall I came out my profit, because I have I have aggressively sold calls, because I don't have any overnight positions from last Friday. I didn't carry anything, so this was my position actually. So what I am saying is, like, if bank nifty opens tomorrow at this level, just try to see if you can it sustains that level, and if it again falls, you can try to sell from that levels. But if it gives a gap down opening, which there are chances, because the bank nifty again closed negative only today, so both the indices closed negative. So what we can expect, that we can again sell off from that particular levels, and we have to see that how much gap down it opens. But it's pretty much like it's not going to open at the same level where it closed today. So let's expect see where the bank nifty opens. So One suggestion I would like to give for all the new traders, like it's in this kind of volatile market where the sentiments are negative and every day there is a good like 2 to 3% of move. So it's better you don't carry any overnight position, because until and unless you are an experienced trader, you will not be able to adjust your positions accordingly if you are an option seller. But if you are a buyer as well, I believe it's not very safe to carry for overnight as well, because the market can move at any direction, and that condition as well, as a buyer also you will lose your money, because buyers can make money only if the market is like it's a kind of a directional market, not a two-way direction market. And for a sailor, as I always mention, like if you are not good at adjustment, you cannot do adjustment properly, or you don't know the techniques how to come out of your lost positions, so it's better you don't carry any overnight positions and play only intraday based on the trend it's following. Like today, if you are playing intraday, you could have easily sold calls and got a good profit today. So this was my analysis for tomorrow. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and put your valuable comments as well, and do like the channel as well. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. So thank you.